Hello guys, welcome to Product Creatives. In this video, we're going to discuss the 6 best budget air rifle for Umarex lovers on the market. Not only will you find the best Umarex air rifle, but also you will learn the core features that make a given Umarex airgun stand out above the rest. I will help you know the benefits of these features and how they might fulfill your needs. Umarex has set a solid standard for designing and manufacturing reliable, high-quality airguns of different types. Perhaps that is the reason it commands a huge fan base across the airgunning industry. Umarex air rifles come with a detailed, top-notch functionality. They combine accuracy, power, and affordability to give you the best thing for either plinking, fun shooting, or hunting. In this video, I cover arguably the best budget Umarex air rifles. It doesn't matter what your needs are, the airguns listed here can be great options for your big catch. As always, all the links to the recommended budget Umarex air rifles have been included in the description below. If you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel to continue receiving great videos like this. So let's get started. Number 1. Umarex Ruger Air Magnum Break Barrel Pellet Gun .22 caliber. Ruger Air Magnum comes as a spring piston powered break barrel in .22 caliber. The airgun shoots with great accuracy and immense power right out of the box. It offers a blued stainless steel barrel and a receiver that is 19.5 inch long. The Air Magnum is built on an all-weather ambidextrous stock that is durable and stable. The pistol grip featured on the stock is textured for easy handling. This airgun is capable of producing high speeds with a maximum of 1200 FPS in the .22 caliber. You get a 2-stage adjustable trigger with fiber optic sights. There is an included 4x32 scope and rings, although many buyers have complained about it being just another piece of poor quality. The gun is a bit on the heavier side, weighing in at 9.5 pounds. However, most shooters may not fret about this. It also features a weaver scope rail for mounting accessories you need. Other super important things to note include the automatic safety, rubber recoil pad, and its 3 medium loudness. Its pros include it feels like a real gun, it has powerful shots, and it has an automatic safety. Its cons are it is heavy to cock, and it is loud. Overall, this is a powerful airgun for plinking and taking down small vermins. Number 2. Umarex Gauntlet PCP Air Rifle .22 caliber. The Umarex Gauntlet is a new kid on the block that Umarex constant innovation has churned out. The Gauntlet is also available in .177 and .25 caliber. With the Gauntlet, you get up to 60 shots per fill at 900 FPS in the .22 caliber. The airgun comes as a 10-shot repeater, featuring a rotary magazine and a single-shot tray. What's more, the gun has a rifled barrel with incredible length of 23.5 inches. Combined with the included 3000 PSI removable tank and 1100 PSI regulator, this airgun guarantees consistent shooting performance. To remove the tank, you have a pressure release key. Simply press it and you are good to go. It offers an adjustable stock combo for customized use. Better yet, it is a quiet gun with adjustable single-stage trigger. Its pros include it is accurate, puts in consistent performance, and it offers good balance. Its cons are there are no sights, and it is a heavy gun. Overall, this Umarex air rifle may be your backyard plinking or shooting companion. Number 3. Umarex Ruger Targis Hunter Max Air Rifle with Scope .22 caliber. Ruger Targis Hunter Max Air Rifle is another spring-powered break barrel airgun you want to try. The Targis Hunter Max can shoot up to 800 FPS with lead pellets and 1000 FPS with alloy pellets. The gun features a TNT piston for its powerful performance. The airgun comes with a rifled barrel that measures 14 inches long and shrouded. It is not one of the most lightweight airguns around, with between 8 to 10 pounds of weight. Ruger Targis Hunter Max boasts synthetic ambidextrous stock with grip. It uses the silence air technology to keep your activities checked and moderated as far as loudness can go. It also provides you with a 3 to 9 by 32 scope for sighting. The included ambidextrous auto safety and rubber recoil pad both guarantee your safety and comfort respectively. Its pros include: it has an automatic safety, it is great for backyard, and it comes with great power. Its cons are: it has an unstable scope and a plastic scope mount. Overall, the gun offers plenty of power and quiet operation. Number 4. Umarex Surge Combo .177 caliber pellet air rifle. Umarex Surge Combo has been praised by many of its users as a great product, and looking at its features closely, you can understand why it's loved. The Umarex Surge Combo comes as a modern, sleek-looking airgun. It features an all-weather synthetic ambidextrous stock with thumbhole for easy handling. The single-shot airgun also provides a rifled barrel with a muzzle brake. It measures 18.9 inches long. The gun can shoot up to speeds of 1000 FPS with lead pellets and 1200 FPS with alloy pellets. Umarex Surge Combo is distinguished by its unique nucleus integrated rail system. This system is part of the stock and helps to absorb and spread noise along the entire stock. This works thanks to the fusion of the Picatinny rail and a sound insulating sheath. Moreover, there is an automatic safety, included scope, rubber recoil pad, 2-stage adjustable trigger, and front sights which enhance your gun's overall functionality. Its pros include: nucleus integrated rail system, accurate and reliable, and it is easy to cock. Its cons are: bad scope, and it has a flimsy safety. Overall, this is a great gun if you want great maneuverability. It is also accurate and offers plenty of awesome features, particularly the nucleus integrated rail system. Number 5. Umarex Diana RWS Break Barrel Pellet Gun .22 caliber. If your consideration for the Umarex air rifle is purely power and accuracy, then the Diana RWS 34 is the way to go. The RWS 34 offers a sleek, modern-looking stock that is well balanced and durable. This particular airgun has a high-quality 19-inch rifled steel barrel. It shoots 800 FPS thanks to the spring piston power plant. The airgun also gives a trigger pull of 3.3 pounds. It is therefore smooth and crisp with a 2-stage adjustable trigger. Diana RWS features an 11mm dovetail scope mount. You get a fiber optic front sight and an adjustable rear sight for windage and elevation. Its pros include: it is well balanced for easy handling, it is easy to cock, and it has a smooth trigger pull. Its cons are: it takes time to load and it's a little heavy. Overall, this is among the best all-round Umarex airguns the market is offering at the moment. Number 6. Umarex Legends Lever Action Cowboy Air Rifle .177 caliber. This is almost a resemblance of John Browning's Winchester Model 94 that was popularly used for hunting. But hey, it is not a Winchester. The Umarex Legends Cowboy just borrows the design and craftsmanship of the mentioned firearm. The airgun is powered by two 12-gram CO2 cartridges that are removable for refilling. These cartridges are placed behind the removable plastic butt plate. The airgun also offers 10 BB or pellet cartridges which are housed in the underbarrel tube magazine. Once you start shooting, the Legends Cowboy produces a shell-spitting action, ejecting BBs or pellets at the speed of up to 600 FPS. Accuracy in this airgun is top-notch, and you have a 19.25-inch barrel. This lever-action airgun boasts an eye-catching Foxwood polymer stock for durability and easiness of handling. Also, you have both fixed front and adjustable rear sights. Its pros include: it's very accurate, it is highly rated by previous users, and it has an efficient lever action. Its con is: loading BBs is tedious. Overall, if you're looking for a 5-star Umarex air rifle, there you have it on the go. I know you enjoyed this video. didn't you? I'll be happy if you can like it and share with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss other interesting videos like this. Until next time, take care.